Right, so this is my second unboxing video of a Curren watch. Very cheap watches. The other one is still going strong. It says water resistant, but I've been swimming with it and it's been fine. So yeah, this is the next one. Great budget watch. Very cheap watch, but they look very smart inside the box. Here we go, so AMPM 24 by So Watches Group. Should be a Curren watch. So, nice little case. Better case than the other one I had. Make a difference, make it happen. Very nice little box. Bubble wrap. We've got instruction manual here. This helps set the time. Helps set the date. Information. See the actual watch. So very similar to the one my other video. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link in the description for the other video of my Curren watch. The other one I've got is silver, more sort of chrome. This is a black one. So again, very well packaged. Got plastic all the way around the edges. Get all that off. Again, it's got a lot of weight to it. It feels solid. Really good quality watch. So there's no way it's scratched or anything like that. Really protective plastic on it. The main dial has plastic also over it as well. Very nice, very solid watch. Pop that out, you can adjust it. I don't think these two buttons work. Dials at the back, I don't think they work either, but actually looks like a very nice watch. Curren on the back, Curren written there too. You press these two buttons here, that pulls up. It's like a double clasp. Got more protective plastic here. Little hologram thing. That's a very nice watch. Feels solid. Looks very nice. Looks expensive. I need to get a couple of links removed from it, like the other one, but the other one, it only cost me I think it was £5, I think. A couple of pounds, £2-3 maybe. to get the links removed. So again, you've still got a very cheap watch. Looks very nice. Very impressed. So yeah, there we go. Press the two buttons, that pulls up, it's off. A very nice watch. Budget watch, but a lot of weight to it. It's very nice. Let me know in the comments what you think.